Okay, at this time, para wala siya, kailangan na po magpaalam ni Best Friend Jollibee. Dahil tulad po natin, marami pa siyang best and kids. Napasasi Enzo, Enzo all wait for and say, paalam Best Friend Jollibee, hanggang sa muli po natin pagkikita. Dito sa Jollibee Manalas Crossing, thank you for coming Best Friend Jollibee. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-wave ng 10 sa kanya. Paalam Best Friend Jollibee. And of course, on behalf of Jollibee Manalas Crossing, to Mommy and Daddy, thank you very much for choosing us to be part of the celebration kasi ako kami makasama kayo lahat. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Once again, after party or celebrating, together with me. Clear you want to be and of course, our very own Best Friend Jollibee. Hanggang sa muli po natin pagkikita dito sa Jollibee Manalas Crossing. Mag-iingat po kayo sa inyong pagbuhay. God bless you all.